Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with a severe weather update for the Day 2 outlook. We have an enhanced risk for severe weather tomorrow that encompasses southeastern Missouri, extreme southwestern Kentucky, the southeastern half of Illinois, most of Indiana, northwestern Ohio, and south central Michigan. The enhanced risk tomorrow encompasses Indianapolis, Indiana, St. Louis, Missouri, Toledo, Ohio, Fort Wayne, Indiana, and Lansing, Michigan. We have a slight tornado that encompasses northeastern Texas, most of Oklahoma, southeastern Kansas, the northwestern half of Arkansas, northwestern Tennessee, parts of Kentucky, most of Missouri, parts of Illinois, northwestern and southeastern Indiana. I think I mentioned parts of Kentucky too. Yeah, I did. Southeastern Wisconsin, parts of Ohio, and parts of Michigan. The slight tomorrow includes the cities of Chicago, Illinois, Detroit, Michigan, Columbus, Ohio, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. And we have 3 marginals tomorrow. One marginal covers far northeastern Montana, most of North Dakota, and northwestern Minnesota. A second marginal tomorrow encompasses parts of Michigan, parts of Wisconsin, northwestern Illinois, eastern Iowa, parts of Missouri, parts of Kansas, northern and western Oklahoma, parts of Texas, the southeastern half of Arkansas, northwestern Louisiana, northwestern Mississippi, northwestern Alabama, parts of Tennessee, parts of Kentucky, far southwestern Virginia, most of West Virginia, eastern Ohio, I think I mentioned much of West Virginia, I should say. Much of West Virginia. Extreme western Maryland, western Pennsylvania, and extreme southwestern New York. And the third marginal tomorrow covers northeastern Virginia, Washington, D.C., central and eastern Maryland, all of Delaware, southeastern Pennsylvania, and most of New Jersey. The marginal tomorrow includes Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Dallas, Texas, Memphis, Tennessee, Fort Worth, Texas, and Baltimore, Maryland. Alright, going to the tornado threat for tomorrow. There is a 5% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow that encompasses southeastern Missouri, a tiny bit of southwestern Kentucky, most of Illinois, southeastern Wisconsin, most of Indiana, northwestern Ohio, and much of Michigan. The 5% tornado risk tomorrow includes Chicago, Illinois, Indianapolis, Indiana, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, St. Louis, Missouri, and Toledo, Ohio. And we have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow, encompassing far southeastern Kansas, parts of Oklahoma, northern Arkansas, northwestern Tennessee, parts of Missouri, northwestern Illinois, a small part of Wisconsin, western Kentucky, southeastern Indiana, parts of Ohio, and parts of Michigan. The 2% tomorrow includes Detroit, Michigan, Columbus, Ohio, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, and Cincinnati, Ohio. Going to tomorrow's wind threat, there is a 30% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow, encompassing southeastern Missouri, a tiny bit of southwest Kentucky, the southeastern half of Illinois, most of Indiana, northwestern Ohio, and south central Michigan. The 30% wind risk tomorrow includes Indianapolis, Indiana, St. Louis, Missouri, Toledo, Ohio, Fort Wayne, Indiana, and Lansing, Michigan. There is a 15% wind risk area tomorrow encompassing northeastern Texas, most of Oklahoma, southeastern Kansas, the northwestern half of Arkansas, northwestern Tennessee, western Kentucky, much of Missouri, much of Illinois, far southeastern Wisconsin, northwestern and southeastern Indiana, parts of Ohio, and parts of Michigan. Okay? The 15% wind risk area includes Chicago, Illinois, Detroit, Michigan, Columbus, Ohio, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. And there are 3 areas where we have a 5% wind risk tomorrow. One covering northeastern Montana, most of North Dakota, and northwestern Minnesota. A second 5% wind risk tomorrow encompasses much of northern Michigan, parts of Wisconsin, northwestern Illinois, eastern Iowa, northern Missouri, parts of Kansas, northern and western Oklahoma, parts of Texas, northwestern Louisiana, the southeastern half of Arkansas, northwestern Mississippi, northwestern Alabama, parts of Tennessee, the eastern half of Kentucky, far southwestern Virginia, most of West Virginia, eastern Ohio, far western part of the Maryland Panhandle, western Pennsylvania, and far southwest New York. And another 5% wind risk tomorrow covers northeastern Virginia, Washington, D.C., central and eastern Maryland, all of Delaware, southeast Pennsylvania, and most of New Jersey. The 5% wind risk areas tomorrow include Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Dallas, Texas, Memphis, Tennessee, Fort Worth, Texas, and Baltimore, Maryland. Going to tomorrow's hail threat. There is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow. That encompasses northeastern Texas, most of Oklahoma, southeastern Kansas, the northwestern half of Arkansas, most of Missouri, far southwestern Kentucky, most of Illinois, most of Indiana, northwestern Ohio, and southern Michigan. The 15% hail risk tomorrow includes Chicago, Illinois, Indianapolis, Indiana, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, and St. Louis, Missouri. And there are two areas where we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow. One covering parts of Michigan, southeastern Wisconsin, northwestern Illinois, parts of Missouri, parts of Kansas, northern and north central and southwestern Oklahoma, parts of Texas, central Arkansas, northwestern Tennessee, western Kentucky, southeastern Indiana, and central Ohio. And the second 5% hail risk tomorrow covers far northeastern Montana, most of North Dakota, and northwestern Minnesota. The 5% hail risk tomorrow includes Dallas, Texas, Detroit, Michigan, Columbus, Ohio, Fort Worth, Texas, and Milwaukee, Wisconsin. So in summary, strong to severe storms are expected on Wednesday from parts of southern Missouri northeastward into southern lower Michigan. Damaging winds, isolated hail, and a few tornadoes will be possible. More isolated severe storms may develop across the southern plains. So that's the day 2 outlook. So anyway, stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow. Take today to prepare for tomorrow's severe weather, and I will go over all of this again tomorrow morning. Take care.